Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu buriya bikomanya seka ngo kwana chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingiya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono babata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibuwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chire chiamache inyaranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri buririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati buigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabuno uraganye wochoganiri erangiriga aseduke nyiganya uru superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutari rero eriwe nyorere abamunyi abuigo enyekenga enyumba yao use asomete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke nyigaya uru superstores yebutoka se enyumba ya uru complex imiyumucho yigo musongo iyirange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene wingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Aramisi yechitariki ya 25 mwasomyo mwanchi muri ya Getembe TV nigo chirigetiko koraga CHINSA ISANO na IBERE chumu basorero mwanchi muri na kwanira ndonsi asore EKEONGA CHINSA ISANO na IBERE kurogeta sini wanchi tena kwege na kia Getembe TV nchengoro wa Catherine NYABOGA Vanessa NYABOGA krosomo na wimanyiro Mike Wes na era kwaneke bune chibi chechi na mari wingu ikirachira senchira radio bwikirano ensemberi ya Facebook na otobu na Getembe TV YouTube no tore igabu na Getembe TV ikaranse ke obana into wikomwaro tokomanye igatiara agendrete wateka kurwa imene isko yorogongoro gusi moseneta abwe county Nyamira omoske okongo mugeni nigo agenderere komocha imirobero serikali ase boigo agenderere kumwakireka ko omwazire omukoro boborendi bweme omoske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi okwana kurwa ase ebirero byo matangayamo imeye county Nyamira Okongo nigo akwanirite igetange gose erigari y'omorero yemanyeka inebuna train gose reri eyo yarobeire gocha ase county ya Nyamira ase bono serikali erobe kuyeira gocha ase county area ya Kisumu asagi kirege getambukire kyo nakoteba abagusina abakenya buna abakenya bande na nerebya bayikiraniriwe egatie chira gosa magendero ari babete bakurierwa chira
Ndombire bisaregete ekaro Fred Matiangi ari ko ofisi konyore ererwe gari rio muliro ngiye ko rukwese egetange gari egetange ari ko runaro etenene bombe ebeke breki konge echustani ali Kisii hoteli nera ali ko munyakoya echustani nyakoya abantu ba Kisii babetero egende Kisumu one kero umweshimiwa president Ruto ile kerogo n'abagari bande bali uda batebire ngakurusi bali egaye yibetele nikonge mwaje ruikonge munerusi wetu kotenga Kisumu mwanda ngara yo balenga mwakanire na yumo wa egaye to tawo mu president nga egaye niyo molero nero tuwadagete eturusi niye chai nikonge etoire direct Mombasa igogo tabatayunga motana tere singo istini na ina morusia gali omolero amangana yuno mogusito agore wakani ese kaulia ya mo wewe ulitudanganya ukasema unaenda kutengeneza maneno ya kilimo na sasa hivi leo tunaambiwa ati tunataka kutulipa bonus shilingi 12 hiyo mnakubali kweli? Mnakubali hiyo? Kwa hivyo Mheshimiwa Rais, wewe Mheshimiwa Rais, sisi tunakuambia kitu ambaye inafanya wananchi wanaimba one time ni kwa sababu umefanya maisha yao imekuwa ngumu. Sisi pia kama jamii wa mama walizaa na walizaa kijana yao na kijana yao anaitwa Dr. Fred Okema. Anaitwa Dr. Fred Okema. Na sisi 2027 Mungu tutaomba Mwenyezi Mungu huyu atusaidie wewe kijana wetu uchukue uongozi akuja atengeneze hii maneno ya SHA.
Togo skavosio matkoma keigoma igaya basai abo bakageire kurwa ase ensere ya Somalia korerekana gochicheria gose gochongiria ebandera yensi ya Kenya ase bare koyaka gose koyetuma buna omupira na koyetinda chirainse niko bono mwaziri woboreni boime Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen achikire omo inspector general w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja Oimukeria egetambukiro egetindi abantu gose abasabu bare koyachicheria ebendera yensi ya Kenya weekendi ya eta hokwana korwa county ya Wajir ni gonere omu inspector general Douglas Kanja ainekeretie omu waziri Kipchumba Murkomen buna nigo ekiombekira kyobotuki ya DCI gyacha kirobotuki naniga abasabu barache kuimukirwa egetambukiro egetindi kerichi
ambayo tuliona vijana fulani wakikanyaga bendera ya Kenya. Unajua tumechukulia freedoms yetu kwa mzaha. Tumesahau kwamba tuko na National Flag, Emblems and Names Act. National Flag, Emblems and Names Act ambayo inasema kwamba haikubaliki mtu yoyote kudisrespect bendera yetu hata kwa matamshi. Na kama taifa hatuwezi kubali kwamba watu watumie ile uhuru ambayo tulipigania kuharibu bendera ya taifa la Kenya. Na Mheshimiwa IG, tafadhali wa Kenya wanataka sisi kama idara ya usalama tuchukue hatua ya kisheria kuhakikisha wale ambao wanahusika wamechukuliwa hatua ya kisheria. Tuliongea na wewe jana kuhusu hiyo, na wakati utakuja kusalimia hao wananchi ningependa upatie hakikisho, na ningependa kuwapatia nyinyi hakikisho hatutakubali mtu yoyote iwe Mkenya ama mgeni kucheza na uhuru wetu na our symbols of national unity including our national flag. So Manaiji, take the necessary legal action. Let the law take its course. As a Minister of Interior, we must show the world that we take our national flag seriously.
I have already directed the DCI ya kwamba huyu mtu anakanyaga bendera yetu ya Kenya. Bendera ile ilipiganiwa hapa mpaka tukapata uhuru yetu, si kweli? Hiyo anatucheza ama vipi? Na hatuwezi tukakubali kamwe. So the director of Directorate of Criminal Investigation is under direct instructions from the Inspector General, none other than Douglas Kanja Kirocho, that he must move with speed and efficiency.
Murai wensi ya Kenya, Daktari William Ruto nigo atogirie ogwesona ni wensi ya Kenya eriokorenta omurembe imyenseria ya Haiti. Okwana asigikaro kyobo mu bwechinso ime ya USA ekyo kyarengete gukwanira obwo muchando bogo chincha kwerire. Ruto nigo aboreti chinsi chinde go chamu na gotoria enseyi asatebete abanyanyimbo kora Kenya nigo bakonyire enseyo na abore kuwa nigo bachakire kwirana chiskuru obonchurira kwirana nabo igo obosombya imeyense yo nigo bwachakire kwirana igento kirache gotoria na abani uchumi yense yo nabo igo koreta obosemeria no morembe ase abamenyi bense.
When Kenya responded to the quest for the Haitian authorities, it was in the belief that we were joining a genuinely multinational effort. We welcomed and fully embraced Resolution 2699, by which the United Nations Security Council authorized the MSS with Kenya as the lead nation. Drawing on our decades of peace support operations, we stepped forward, stepped up, and deployed our officers to confront the rampant menace of gang violence in Port-au-Prince and its environs. Madam President, ladies and gentlemen, the mission has operated in a volatile environment under enormous constraints. It has been underfunded, under-equipped, and operated below 40% of its authorized personnel strength. Our police officers have valiantly shouldered responsibilities without the full logistical support that would accompany any mission sanctioned by the United Nations. Despite these challenges, and against all odds, the MSS has delivered results many thought were impossible. The presidential palace, once under siege from gangs, is today restored as the seat of government. The police headquarters and the police training center, once overrun by gangs, are now secure, with the academy resuming the training of new police officers, over 700 of whom graduated a few months ago. Schools that have been shattered by violence have reopened, with children back in class, learning and progressing. Roads once manned or blocked by gangs have now free-flowing traffic. Cases of kidnapping and extortion have reduced sharply. The airport and the seaport, once surrounded by gangs, are now abuzz with normal operations. Which begs the question, if so much could be achieved with limited resources and stretched personnel within just 15 months, what more could have been accomplished if the United Nations fraternity had truly acted together in solidarity with the people of Haiti? From this podium, I wish to assure all partners and actors that with the right personnel, adequate resources, appropriate equipment, and necessary logistics, Haiti's security.
Mwakonyo maraiwense Profesa Pram Kithure Kindiki nigo amonchiriense moyo kwa mire serikali ase okogendera gusiria abakenya ase chinkwana chiobo chitabwenereti gukwana n'abasubati kurwa ebunge Embere North egotoka county ya Embu. Kindiki nigo atogete serikali ya Ruto na asairete bana nige gende tuikarania chiria arirete abakenya na nerebu y'abakenya baitangene nseme yoyo kwa miriria serikali.
Parliament, mambo ya wananchi ndio kubwa kuliko mambo ya binafsi. Wakasema tukienda zizi zote tutachokora hii maneno, hii kiti itapotea, itaenda msituni. So wakaamua waacha wamuunge mkono huyu leo. Na huyu leo pia ni fire. Ni kweli kama ama si kweli? Mama ni fire. Mama ni fire. Ni fire, si fire. Mama ni fire si fire. Ni noma si noma. Acha nione salamu ya leo, salamu ya leo, salamu ya leo, salamu ya leo.
Maji ya kutoka Kiambere dam ifike Kiambere ward na pia ikuje Mumenje ikienda the Rua Ivroli. Sasa jameni, mnasema tutoke kwa serikali? Tukae kwa serikali?
Na nataka kuambia hao wanakuja na lugha ya opposition. Hiyo lugha hatutasikiza. Kwa sababu tunaelewa faida ya kuwa katika serikali.
Muraiwe kiama kia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigo atebire buna tarigo cha gwikirana igati meyega yebyama igati abo muyega bogochinkira okoba gwikiama kia ODM ase miaka 20 na boigo muyega gwikiama gia Jubilee oyo orarawe nero murayoka ne winse Uhuru Kenyatta korengana nere nigo abete ga kwariganiwa no muraiwe kiama gia ODM Raila Odinga buna oyomo obo asibaria bachageti ekiamekyo korende nigo airete buna ritukerio nigo akabwate emirobiro ya yebene yekiama kiaye nabo igota gochagwikirana omuyego uyu asenseme yende nigo airete buna omuyego bwekiama kia mathakarwa mu ekiama kiragia People's Liberation Party PLP nigo arachie goikirana omuyego uyu abete ka kwariganiwa no muraibe kiamekyo musubati umuske mathakarwa.
That issue was answered clearly. Yes. Jubilee, I was with Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i, Mheshimiwa Kioni in Kajiado on Saturday. On Sunday, I beg your pardon, at the church in Kajiado. And Mheshimiwa Kioni said he's not expecting other national leaders to come. They are doing it as a Jubilee event because last time we attended the Jubilee NDC at the Jockey Club, which was chaired by former President Uhuru Kenyatta. The matter went up to court, and in their pleadings, they were told they invited strangers. So we're in a category of strangers. Let them first of all sort their things, but I shall attend also NDC, our sister, Mother Karua, because she has invited us at Ufungumano House. We shall be there. Well, we wish our brothers and sisters in Jubilee well. Okay. We haven't seen anything on the table. Ileto kwa meza. I can tell you what I've seen on the table. Ni kwamba Raila Odinga ameniandikia barua. A very nice letter. My dear brother, as a founder member of ODM, alright, ninakualika kwa shughuli. There will even be a dinner event on the 10th. And unfortunately, I'm going to reply nimwambie on the 10th, we will have the National Delegates Congress of Wiper Patriotic Front. Kwa hivyo mimi sitafika huko. I wish them well. I wish them well. I gather William Ruto will also be invited as a founder member, but I will not be there. I hope I've answered you. No, I haven't answered you. There's nothing on the table. We have seen that. We have seen that. Therefore, it cannot. By the way, you realize I'm perhaps one of the principals.
Chafto kiresta ikayikomera isano igoro ya CHINSA isano na IBERE chabo no mubaso mwancho muregere wa Getembe TV na radio koromese EKEONGA senchira yo wenye korinda yo mona yande ndocho karatira chikoraga CHINSA ikomya senchira yo wenye boygo twaro burege burobya toskari.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone kampani ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchase abaonya aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigiria mabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale iyurengia na wigo ekogokia liso yao chingagi ogoswasa ni kurigiria amabati aiga ntubwate timu ya Tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingiye cyo gukwarigania na bwigo cyo tebereye kindi cyose uraganie bagotebereye company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati y'ichingenjo aho ayuari y'echikala aho na bwigo ayuwe gabwata chi profile net gauges aho na mono babwata no corrugated na bwigo box corrugated asime ko babwata boomerang ayuari ayechigech emirunge tato asama mabati aliaje chigech emirunge bire nesaro nesato babwata tile profiles alia oriental elegant versatile grows na bwigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chena roman jinko na bwigo web design babwate igani gabwate chikala buna bono lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na bwigo na green obutambe bwe mabati iga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya bwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa bogo tumika kinga gicho gwakeranya mabati iga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyara kwa bogo kwerera amabati yu akomenya sivika ayo uchani warrant na bwigo ayo orakoburu bwikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex niyo mucungo busongo iyo range ne duka Safaricom bwigo ngutuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakiresi ngotara sete namba chapa 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone